just wanted to kind of catch up with everybody. It's been a while. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe button. Hey everybody, it's Shannon from Overlook Valley Homestead. It's been a while. We've been busy with life and stuff, but I was going to make a little video just let y'all know what was going on. Today I'm just going to kind of clean up around the yard. We've got some things that have kind of gotten away from us with stuff going on, so let me see if I can flip this. Anyway, I'll show y'all. Just trying to trim up some bushes, clean up the yard a little. Got to get the grass cut. Just get things back in order. So I will catch up with y'all when I get some of this done. Okay, so got the grass cut. Got some weed eating to do and clean up in the front where I trim the bushes. But it looks much better already. Making some progress today. Okay everybody, so today was just kind of clean up around the yard and get things kind of picked up and back in order day. Showed you some of it. Still got some weed eating to do, but
this is the second side of my shop, which used to be the side that I used for a barn, and then that actually become a junk collection place, I reckon. So we are going to clean this out. We're going to eventually pour some concrete in here. We're going to open the shop up, and the whole shop is going to be the whole building. Hey y'all, welcome back to Overlook Valley Homestead. Today we're out here in the barn slash shop doing a little work. She's doing the work, I'm talking on video. But when I built this barn, I built a loft up here. There's the bottom of the loft. We got a mess. We cleaned out the loft, thrown everything down there. That's why it looks so bad. And we're re-flooring over the top of the existing floor because it's 7/16 plywood, and it's kind of weak because the floor joists are on 2-foot centers. So we're doubling up the 7/16 to make a more sturdy floor up here in the loft because we plan on putting some weight up here. So, a lot of stuff that we got to store downstairs. So I just thought I'd share this with you and see what Shannon's up to. What do you think? Is it hot? Yeah. Alright, so this is existing floor, and we've already done about half of it before I turned the video on. And we're just overlapping it, and it makes it way more sturdy. If you look at this, let's see if you can see the crack, but when I step on it, it's weak. So we want to do away with that. We don't want nobody falling through up here. So I'm cutting and laying, and she's coming back with a nail gun and nailing it. What do you think about the nail gun? Is that the first time you've used it?
maybe.
Maybe. You might have used it
I
once
might
or
use
twice
it
before.
over at Tyler Street.
At Tyler, yeah, in the mini house over there. Alright, so that's what we're into, and just thought we'd share just a little bit of what's going on here. We'll see y'all again in a minute. Alright y'all, we got the floor down and we started putting a couple shelves up and stuff, and just thought I'd show you what progress we're making. So Shannon's over here looking at the hole on the wall that I got to box up.
I'm looking at the baby.
It's a pretty view from where she's at. So alright. But anyways, we got the floor down, and it's way more sturdy than it was. We put a little shelf up there and a little shelf up there, and now we got a pile of junk. I don't know how in the world I end up with this much stuff, but we got to go through all this, and a lot of it's going to the scrap metal pile and get anything that's good that we want to keep out of there, and clean this up down here because it is a mess. But anyways, we've had fun up here today doing this. And I've been looking into, seeing some people on YouTube are doing dry pour concrete. We're thinking about venturing into that. I don't know if we will or not. The other side, I had it mixed and poured, and it's really, really thick. And I did that because I was going to put a car lift on that side, but I don't know if I ever do that or not. This side don't necessarily have to be so thick. I think 3 or 4 inches would probably be great over here. And with the price of concrete, we might be better off to do it a section at a time and do it ourselves. So y'all stay with us, and I'll give you an update on that as things go. So all right, we're gonna get back to work, and I just wanted to show you our progress for today. A lot of old used plywood that we had left laying around. We ended up doubling up the floor, and it's not perfect by any means. You know, there's a few spots, but it's way more sturdy than it was. So I think it will be just fine to store our junk in, because this area is going to be our storage area. And I figure we can put some shelves, hang some things on the walls. This wall over here, we're taking it down because that goes into the other part of the building, and we want to have access to this loft from both sides of the building. So and all of this wall will be taken down and just making it one big giant building. And out there's a big giant garage door that goes out there, so we'll be doing that too eventually. So all right, y'all stay with us, and we'll see what else we can get into. All right, y'all, it's a different day. Just giving an update of how far we got yesterday and where we're at so far today. I know it's a mess, but it's a work in progress, and we're trying to get it all cleaned up. I've been storing stuff in this barn for years, and it's time for it to go. So I'll just show you what's going on with it. So yesterday we were up in the loft up there cleaning, and we've started putting a few things back up there. And if you see the bottom down here, it is an absolute wreck. But from the top up there, I took a little video of this area right here, and we have totally got it cleaned out. We got to take the tarp up. I got to tear this wall down, move that shelf. But we are making progress. Although we got tons of garbage. There's a barrel, it's all garbage. Some more barrels of garbage. That's a pile of garbage. And we got a whole trailer load full of scrap iron. And we're not done yet. There's still more to go on it. So slowly but surely we're making progress. Posted the tires, hoping somebody might want them for something. I don't know what they're good for, but nobody's said they wanted those. The 2 refrigerators back here, somebody's supposed to be coming getting them today, and we're gonna move all the wood, and that's a bunch of my tools that was in all that junk that I got to go through and put up somewhere. Slowly but surely we are making progress. So just thought I'd show you, and I'll try to show you the end result when we get all this cleaned up. Shannon, she went to the house to get her a peanut butter and jelly sandwich because she I guess she was feeling hungry. We've been working out here since this morning, and I think I see her coming. Did you get your peanut butter and jelly? Oh yeah.
Yeah, but the yellow jackets are going
What are they?
on. The yellow
Uncrustables. Yeah, those are awesome. Alright, y'all, we're getting back to work, and we'll see how far we get along. Alright, y'all, it's late in the evening on Saturday evening. We've been working on cleaning this side of the shop, barn, whatever you want to call it is. I'm sure you've seen my barn. Shop on one side, barn on the other side. And I'm going to make it all shop. So, anyway, Shannon's in here doing enough finishing work on it. For now, we got to do a lot of backfilling in here, but I was just going to show you how it turned out. It's kind of dark, kind of hard to see,
but you can actually see all the way through. I still got to put the metal up on the back side of the barn, but I was waiting on that until after I do the concrete so I could access it from both ends. On the front here, I still got to put the door up. I'm gonna put a garage door up like I did over there, over here, but I got a bigger one, so I think we're gonna have a whole lot bigger area to get in and out with. That one there, I have a hard time getting my trailers and stuff in and out of the shop. So both sides are 15 by 30, so that should open it up, give us another 15 foot in the shop. I think it will make life a whole lot better. So anyways, I just wanted to show y'all how much stuff we actually took out of the barn side that's going to the scrapyard. So this is a 16-foot trailer loaded. It is full of junk. There's a lot of good stuff on there, but I got a problem with keeping up with too much stuff, so I'm letting some of it go. And you know, if I need it again, I'll just have to get it again. But that is pretty much where we ended up. I ended up putting the 2 refrigerators on there. Somebody was supposed to come get them, but he called them back out last minute, and I told him that's fine, I'm gonna scrap them. So they're going to the scrapyard. All right, just want to show y'all that. So right here, I'm bringing the floor up to a level grade to match the other concrete. You can see the old concrete over there. I'm about 4 inches below it with the dirt that I'm putting in here, and I've had to build this up probably a good foot on the back, and maybe 6 inches on this side. And as we come back this way, it's gonna get shorter and shorter and shorter, probably till about right in here. It's probably gonna level out. The ground's just, it falls downhill. So I'm putting all this dirt in here to take up some room, and wetting it and packing it, and you know, so it don't cost me an arm and leg for concrete. But anyways, that's kind of where I'm at today. I'm just doing it one little section at a time so I don't get too overwhelmed, and I'll get all the dirt work done, and then we'll start ready to do concrete, I guess. All right. Thank y'all for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and y'all come back and see us here at Overlook Valley Homestead, and share out our videos. Y'all make sure you hit that thumbs up. That helps the algorithm. That helps us get out there and help us get our channel known. We've been doing this for some time, but we started a new channel, so got a new lady in my life, so it's a new channel. So here we go. Thank y'all, and we'll see y'all next time, and God bless you.